Grade, it's Mrs. Feathers. I'm going to go over your grammar practice pages for the week. This week you are assigned pages 46 to 49. We are going to be looking at plural and singular possessive nouns. Let's take a look at your first page. It is page 46. It will be assigned to you and due on Monday. On this page, the box at the top says a possessive noun is a noun that shows who or what owns or has something. So that word possessive has a root word possess, which when you possess something, you own it. We add an apostrophe and the letter S to make a singular noun possessive. So we do that apostrophe S to show that something or someone is owning something. On this page, part A, it says to write the possessive form of each underlined noun. The first one is done for you. Number 1 says the tail of the pig. So we make that the pig's tail. Pig is owning the tail, so I add apostrophe S. Number 2 says the ears of the rabbit. So I want to make that the rabbit's, apostrophe S, ears. You will finish up this section 3, 4, and 5. Part B says to read the list of things that tells about a puppy. Write out each thing as a possessive noun. The first one is done for you. So the first one, number 6, was nose. So we write the puppy's nose. The puppy owns its nose. Number 7 says tail. So I'm going to type the puppy's tail. You will do the same thing for 8, 9, and 10. Again, this page will be assigned and due on Monday. Tuesday, you will have 2 pages to do. So the previous page we looked at singular possessive nouns. On this page, we're going to look at plural possessive nouns. So more than one thing owning something else. Adding an apostrophe to the end of a plural makes it possessive. Adding an apostrophe S forms a possessive of plural nouns not ending in S. These are called irregular possessive. Collective nouns are a singular form of a word that refers to a group of things. So the easiest way to remember whether you're adding an apostrophe or apostrophe S, if the word already ends in an S, you just add an apostrophe. If the word ends in not an S, you add apostrophe S. Number 1 says the den of the rabbits. I want to write the rabbit's den. Because this is plural, already ending in S, all I do is add apostrophe. Let's skip down to 4. The home of the family. Because family does not end in S, I add apostrophe S. You will finish up this page with the same directions. The second page for Tuesday is looking at the singular and plural possessives again. Same rules in the box from the previous 2 pages. The directions state to complete each sentence with a possessive form of the noun in parentheses. Number 1 says the blank book reports are about animals. I want to write the possessive of children. Because children does not end in S, I add apostrophe S. Remember, if it already ends in an S, you just add an apostrophe. If it does not end in an S, you add apostrophe S. These 2 pages will be assigned and due on Tuesday. Your last page is page 49, same directions as the previous days. It says to mark an X over any possessive noun that is not written correctly. Write the sentence on the line using the correct form of each possessive noun. I'm going to add in the X's for you, and then you will just have to drag them. We'll use this symbol here. The volunteer women's group at the hospital held a bake sale. Women's should be possessive, so I'm going to put an X over that. And I'm going to correctly type this. Because women does not end in an S, I do apostrophe S. And finish out the sentence. You will do the same for 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once you are done with all of those pages, you will have your grammar quiz on Thursday. Please be sure to be checking any comments that the teachers are leaving you. And on Thursday, we have Google Meet scheduled. So if you have questions before you take the quiz, please make sure that you join those Google Meets to ask questions. As always, reach out to any of the reading teachers if you need help. Have a wonderful day, third grade. Bye.